Welcome to Road Train Deliveries. Go to Shopify App Store, apps.shopify.com. Search Road Train Delivery app from search bar. After search, click on this Road Train Delivery app. After click, you will see Road Train Delivery All Details. Now click on Install button. You will see Apps Installation page. Then click on Install button. After install Road Train Deliveries apps, you will see Dashboard and here 3 button in Dashboard, Merchant Panel, Merchant App, Merchant AI. Now go to Settings page from Settings menu. Then you can see Road Train Deliveries Merchant Information Form, your need to fill up those information email, password, API key. API key will provide by Road Train Deliveries. After Fill Up Form, click on this Save button. After Settings, go to Orders page from menu. Then you will see your all order list, and you can see order details. Just click on this order number. And you will see your Road Train Deliveries shop list in Select box, and you can choose Shop. And also you can change Collect Amount. After choose Shop and change amount. Now your order sent to Road Train Deliveries, click on Send button. After Send Order, you will see Road Train Deliveries parcel details inside this order, like customer name, phone, address, amount, tracking ID, order number, transfer date, and status. After transfer order, you can check this order delivery status. Click on this Check Status button. Then this order status will come from Road Train Deliveries website. This is work process on this app. Thanks for watching.